channel. And as always, I appreciate all the love, man. You know what I'm saying? All the new subscribers that are, we call them Priminators. We don't call you guys subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Like on Instagram, you call it Priminator. On YouTube, you call it Priminator sub. You know what I'm saying? Like the Priminator subs, they be coming through. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate all love and support. I really do. What we're doing right now, as you guys can see in the title of the video, we're gonna go see Prime right now. So Prime is getting a wide body installed, and I can't wait because I'm super excited to see where we are in the progress so far. I did get what do you call it? I did get a teaser of like what the rear diffuser looks like with the wide body, but I don't know what else they've got cooking. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to AZ Motor Trends for, you know, working with me once again. They did my sound system. I always tell everybody that I send over there, just tell them Prime. You know what I'm saying? It's like the coupon code, because I am sponsored by them. So just tell them, you know, a-dilla with Optimus Prime sent me over there. So if you guys are in Arizona, if you guys are in Cali and all that good stuff, man, and you guys are looking to do some crazy work like I am, and I've been blessed with, then make sure you guys hit up AZ Motor Trends. Now, Randy is the owner, you know what I'm saying? And Randy's been the one that's taking care of me and taking care of everybody that I send to him. So I'm super excited, you guys. I really want to see what this looks like. This is my first time ever having a car that has a wide body kit on it. It's not every day that I wake up and I drive a car that has a wide body. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I'm sure you guys can relate. I know there's a certain handful of people out there in the world, you know what I mean, that you might know that might have wide body kits on their cars. So when you actually see one when it's done up, the first question that pops up in your head is, bro, tell me you didn't cut those fenders. That's the first question. I'm like, the fenders are getting cut, dog. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the only way you can put that wide body on. I know some people have gotten away with doing it without putting the cutting the fenders, but the problem is with that, your wheels are not going to come out far enough so it can line up with the new fender flares on the wide body, or if it's a true wide body and it's molded on there, your wheels are going to be still tucked in. You know what I'm saying? And the whole purpose of this is to make sure that the wheels, you know, match the rest of the body kit. So they have to stick out. What happens is when the wheels poke out, just you know what I'm saying, food for thought, when the wheels stick out, you have to cut the fender, because when you hit bumps, that wheel's gonna go up and it can hit the actual fender. Your fenders right now don't hit. Your fenders right now, I mean, the wheels don't hit the fenders right now because they go inside. You know what I'm saying? Like when your car is lowered, it'll go inside the wheel well. But now, if they're sticking out and you hit a bump, you're gonna hit that tire, my friend, right on that fender. So you could damage that fender and cause more problems. So when you cut it, yeah, it's kind of heartbreaking to see a car getting cut up like that, but that's just a part of the process, you know what I mean? And tons of people around the world do this. They do this to muscle cars, imports, you know what I'm saying? They do it to exotic cars. They do it to everything, you know what I'm saying? So you just got to put your mind to it and just do what you got to do, man. So we're going to get to the shop. Once we get to the shop, I'm going to walk in there and show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to introduce you guys to Randy, you know what I'm saying? And then from there, we're going to take a look at Prime, and we're going to do a walk around and see what the car looks like, bro. I'm like super excited. It's not complete right now. It's not done. The car will be ready next week, but I wanted to try to get a video of where we are so far with the car, like halfway through the build. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if he already did my sound system from my accident, if it's been redone and cleaned up again, because it has to get redone and cleaned up. So he's going to be doing that for me. He's obviously going to be doing the wide body for me, and we're also reinstalling, I should say, the speakers back in my engine bay. So when I have it programmed, well, I'm going to have it programmed now where there's a different module, a little transmitter that's going to be in my car, where you can put an SD card in it, and it can play like before. I used to have it before the old speakers popped at SEMA, when my car was in SEMA in 2017. I used to have the top 10 scenes of Transformers with Optimus Prime, so like the car would talk, pretty much is what I'm trying to tell you. So now I got a whole new setup, and they're going to install those too. And he's going to do my wheels also. My wheels are really wide as it is, but unfortunately I still do need adapters so they can come out a little bit more. My front wheels are 20 by 10.5, and the back is 20 by 12. I'm rocking 295s up front and 345 in the rear on the 20 by 12s, and all around I have the Michelin Pilot Super Sport Z-rated tires. So it should be a dope setup, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cross your fingers. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the Priminators on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Snapchat. Everybody always message me, showing me love, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit me up on Instagram too. I usually leave it in the description below, or you can just go ahead and search me up at Camaro ZLS. You know what I'm saying? But enough talking for me. I've done enough talking. When we get over there, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the shop and get it in, man. I appreciate all love and support, dog. Let's get it. What's up, you guys? So we're here at the shop. I'm actually right in front of Randy's Lexus, and I'm over here at AZ Motor Trends. We're gonna take a walk, see what we got cooking, see where we at with Prime. I'm really excited for you guys to see what we got going on. Man, bro, like, you don't understand, dog. Like, I think the fenders are like, we're getting close to start cutting in to the fenders, so I think they're just put on there right now. The rear diffuser, I do know that is installed, and the side skirts, I do know that is installed too. So let's just go inside, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see what we got going on. He got everything that you guys need. These are his hours. That is their phone number, their website. It's the same thing on Instagram. When you go on Instagram, you just search up AZ Motor Trends, just go all the way across, and then you get it in. I know they got a couple of customers in there, but I do want to make sure that I get the shop, and we're gonna go straight to the car, you know what I'm saying? And then we'll do a circle around. So we're gonna go right through here, and bam, there we are. There's Prime chilling. I wanted to show you guys the process so far, where we are. Look at this. Oh yeah, that looks great. So we got the new bumper on. That's the 6th gen conversion. We got the new wide body front splitter kit. As you can see, it sticks out right there in that little corner, and then it'll contrast the flares. And then on the flares on the side right here, there's usually another piece which we will connect right here. You actually lose this part, so you take that out once the other piece mounts on right there. As you go down to the side, you see we got the new side skirts on there. We're doing all these test fits right now, so everything is being test fitted, making sure that everything lines up. We're gonna make sure it's all nice and clean and set up. This will all be connected, ready to go. As I said, looks like everything is just getting measured out right now. As you can see on the side skirt, they stick out as well, so that way you can contrast the front. Going all the way around. The rear diffuser. I do want to give a huge shout out to Randy with that rear diffuser, because shout out to Icon Motorsports for the kit, but for the future, you might want to just go ahead and give us instructions on what they feel is like the easiest way to set this up. But shout out to Randy here at AZ Motor Trends. He made it all happen like he always does. And we'll show you guys once the car is done what the trunk looks like when we move around and get it all rocking and rolling, cotton back and reloading. So that's where we are right now, you guys. Look at this right here. When you see from this view, look at that flare. Can you guys see that? That's gonna look awesome. And I can't wait. Let me see if I can see from the back. We'll get a shot back here. And then you'll be able to see right there what the flare looks like on the side, you guys. Getting it rocking and rolling. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far. Let me know what you guys think. If you are here in town, or if you're in Cali next door to us, or in Vegas, whatever the case may be, make sure you guys come down here to AZ Motor Trends. It's right off the major intersection, is right off of 91st Avenue in Peoria, right off the 101. Make sure you guys holler at Randy. He's the man here. He's been doing this for quite some time. And oh, okay, back there, my man. There it is. I didn't even know he was back there. All of a sudden, you know, bam, there he is. That's just how he does. You know what I mean? So make sure you guys hit him up, you guys. If you're from Cali, call down here, set up your appointment. He gets people all the time from different states that bring their cars all the way out here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not just saying that. the quality of the work here is no joke. That's the only reason why I always come here. You know what I mean? And the customer service is amazing. So Randy and the whole staff, everybody here is amazing. Make sure you guys come down, hit him up, follow him on Instagram. I'll leave the description in the bottom below. In the meantime, between time, I'll holler at you guys later. Priminator out.